In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a background in Clipchamp step by step. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, presentations, social media content, or school projects, adding a background can instantly make your video look more professional and visually engaging. The best part is that Clipchamp makes this process incredibly simple once you know where to look. So if you're new to Clipchamp or just can't find the background options, don't worry, I'll walk you through everything. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new project from the home screen or open an existing project that you're currently working on. Once your project loads, you'll see the main editor interface with your preview window at the top and your timeline at the bottom. This is where all your video editing happens. Make sure your project is fully loaded before moving on to the next step so everything runs smoothly. Next, look over to the left-hand side panel of the editor. This is where you'll find different tools like media, templates, text, transitions, and more. From this menu, click on Content Library. The Content Library is where Clipchamp stores built-in assets that you can use in your videos, including stock videos, images, music, graphics, and backgrounds. Once you click on it, a new panel will open showing different categories of content available for you to explore. Inside the Content Library, find and click on the option labeled Backgrounds. This section contains a variety of ready-made backgrounds that you can use in your project. You'll typically see solid color backgrounds, gradients, abstract designs, and sometimes animated background options depending on your account type. Take a moment to scroll through the available choices and preview them. This helps you decide which background best matches the style and tone of your video. Now comes the final and most important step. Choose any background of your choice and add it to the timeline. To do this, simply click on the background you like and drag it down onto your timeline. If you want the background to appear behind other elements like text or videos, make sure you place it on the bottom track of the timeline. Clipchamp layers work from bottom to top, so anything on top will appear above the background. You can also adjust the length of the background by clicking and dragging the edges to match the duration of your video. If needed, resize or reposition elements in the preview window to make sure everything looks exactly how you want it. And that's it. That's how you add a background in Clipchamp. It's quick, simple, and can completely transform the look of your video in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Clipchamp tips and easy-to-follow editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.